Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to customize your agent controls in Valorant. So today I'm going to teach you how to customize your agent's controls in Valorant. So you can customize your agent controls in Valorant by clicking on the settings. Go to your settings and controls. Once you're in the control, you can create new agent profile. When creating a new agent profile, for example, Cypher, I'm going to click Cypher here, and we can change his movements, but only for Cypher. So right now we're gonna change our actions. Gonna make the jump into shoot. Left button, I meant left button, and we're gonna change her fire into into jump. So there we go. So once we jump, we shoot, and once we left click, it jumps. So let's try it. We choose Cypher. Loading.
Nothing. The back alleys or the streets of war. There is no difference, just nicer toys.
So there we go, guys. So right now, we're gonna try our jump. I'm gonna click jump. It shoots. Once I click on my left click, jumps.
The spike is still in base.
Wow. It's very weird. And we can do that to all of our agents. We're gonna add another agent. Let's try chamber. So we're gonna replace his T with the number 1, head hunter with 2, and 3, 3, 4. And equipments, let's replace it with K L. There we go. There we go. So once we try on chamber, we get try. Let's go to cheats and switch to chamber. Go. And
30 seconds left.
you're using chamber right now. That's on everything. Oh, there you go. As you can see in the bottom corner, in the bottom middle, the trap is now 1. Once I click 1, it's gonna release the trap for chamber. And 2, oh, it's now his gun. And 3 for the teleport. And 4 is for the ult. So there you go, guys. So yeah, that's how you change your age. That's how you customize your agent's controls in Valorant. So I hope you guys like the video. Oh, and a note that this doesn't work for all of the agent. Only the agent that you have customized. Okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys subscribe. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.